Hey planners, it's Taya Shante Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be sharing the kits that I'm using for the month of April. So let's go ahead and take a look at my kit lineup. So for the first spread up for the month of April, I have my dashboard and I will be using one of the beautiful spring bundles from Paper Trail Plans. Also pulled some of this beautiful garland washi. How gorgeous is this? I'm not quite sure how I want to approach this page yet, but I knew I wanted it to feel very springy, and I love these colors. This is so beautiful. This is the Lavender Dreams, and I'm obsessed with their floral washi trims because I love these kiss cut florals. They're so amazing. And then these solid washi strips, it's one of those things where like I feel like Bloom Paper Studio did a $2 Tuesday with it, and I wasn't at the time able to pick up that $2 Tuesday because I just had way too many other things going on. And I need to check to see if she still has them in her shop, because just like really simple, colorful washi strips that don't have a pattern, don't have foil. These are so versatile and useful because you can embellish them in a lot of different ways, and the length is just really good. I love these so much. Their washi strips are just fantastic. And then of course the large florals. And I pulled this doll. I think I want to use her with this, and I should be filming my what's this thing called dashboard spread right after I finish filming this video. So I kind of already had in mind what doll I wanted to use with this spread, which I don't always, as I'm going through my spreads, I don't always know what fashion doll I want to use, but I did for that one. Moving on to my April monthly. This is one where I might end up changing my mind on this, but I have the leftover journaling pages from the fairy tale kit from Sadie Stickers that I used for my anniversary spread in February, which is one of my absolute favorite spreads. I love this so much. It's so beautiful. And I was thinking, because I loved it so much, because I really love the theme so much, I might really enjoy doing a monthly spread with the leftovers, because I still have so many stickers left from this collection, and I thought I might enjoy going ahead and using them. And this felt very like spring appropriate for April. As of right now, this is where I stand, and my thought is to pull in some of the leftovers from the journaling kits, and I even have a few leftovers in like the kit itself. So I feel like I could totally pull together a really beautiful, and I'm very much still in a fairy tale mood when it comes to like my planning style at the moment. So I feel like it may be this, but that may change. We shall see. We shall see. And then we have the first full week of April, which is mostly the last week of March, which if you saw my March kit lineup video, then you saw that I planned to use the Island Dream kit from Sadie Stickers, because the color scheme and the whole vibe of this felt perfect for this week, because I took a cruise to Mexico. It was just so perfect for this week because I was on my cruise from Monday through Friday. I got back home, and so this is going to be the kit that I use for this first week, and it is a stunning kit. Absolutely love it, and am really looking forward to using it. I've pulled some of these. I'm not sure if I'm going to need or use any of these, but I thought they were super adorable. Oh, the pool day would be perfect. So yeah, little things like that I think would be fun. Oh, we did have a shopping day. See, these are actually going to come in handy, and sometimes it can be tricky trying to find like summer specific icons or vacation specific icons. So I'm really glad I have this, because I think this is going to be really nice. And then I love these fashion dolls. I feel like they totally work with this as well. So that's what I'm planning for the first week of March. The second week of March, I have this kit from Simply Watercolor Co. And this was one that really surprised me, because I'm not a baker. Nothing about baking appeals to my personality, but everything about the colors of this kit is just so absolutely gorgeous and beautiful to me. It's foiled in rose gold foil. It is just lovely. And so I'd done some shopping, because I'm not the biggest fan of these types of florals, but the kit itself is super beautiful and has different types of florals in like the images. And so I picked up some florals from Sadie Stickers. I purchased both this one is just a match to her kit Flowers, and this one is a match to her kit Happiness. And so I've got kind of a little bit of a split opinion here, because the sort of peachy toned colors of this totally pairs perfectly with the beautiful peachy tones in here. But there's also some really pretty white florals in this kit that I felt like the white florals on this happiness sheet picked up on, plus a little bit of the brown that's in the kit and the greens as well. So I may end up using a combination of these two sets of florals when to pair with this kit. I don't know, like a part of me just says go with the flowers because I feel like this just is so pretty with this, but I may end up pulling in some of the happiness florals as well just because I have them. So we'll see what happens with that, but I'm really excited to use this kit and I love these florals. I think they're going to pair it with this perfectly. I have gotten to the point where I have learned, because I tried recently to like start doing a kit and I didn't have floral deco that was like a really good match for it, and I was very unhappy trying to plan that spread. For the third week of April, we have the Strawberry Fields kit, and this is from Two Little Bees. This is foiled in gold foil, and so we've got a good mix of foil so far. We started with gold, then went to rose gold, now we're back to gold, and then the next kit I'm going to share has silver foil. So I'm very happy about that. Loving the foil balance in my kit options at the moment. This kit is super beautiful, and I remember buying this back in fall and being so surprised that I was ready to shop for spring that early, but this kit just stole my heart immediately and I had to have it. Super excited to plan with this. The spread I'm working on right now is not the same at all, and the look of these two kits is going to be so different when I'm done, but it has kind of a similar vibe. I feel like right now what I keep gravitating towards are kits that feel are kits that give me that sort of whimsical fairy tale vibe, because I'm literally right now, as I'm in the middle of planning with the Two Little Bees Secret Garden kit, and it has that very whole whimsical vibe to it as well, which is similar to what I was loving about my fairy tale kit that I did. And so I'm starting to pick up on a trend with myself and like the direction I keep leaning towards and what's making me happy in creating planner spreads. And it's so interesting because to me, even though these have like a very similar mood to them, in that they both have that sort of whimsical fairy tale vibe to them, the colors are so different, the mood is so different from one kit to the next, they don't look like the same spread. And then you take the Strawberry Fields kit and I'm like, yeah, I could definitely go in a very whimsical direction with this because it feels like the storybook and the little girl in the field, and it feels very romantic and whimsical and just happy. And I love that about this kit, but it's gonna have a totally different mood than, no, same mood, different look. That's what it is. That's what's happening with me right now. I'm picking up on that with myself, and it seems to be the thing that's making me happy, so I'm just rolling with it. And then for the last full week of April, I feel like there's a couple of days of April that roll into May. Whoa, like it's mostly this whole week. Oh, that is so weird. I feel like I should pick another kit because this feels like a whole full week of April, but I'm not gonna right now because I have no idea what kit I want to use. So that'll be in the May kit lineup video. Although for me, I feel like if the week is mostly the previous month, I would consider this a week of April, not a week of May, since there's only one day of May on this week. That's fine. So we have for the last week of April, this is the February 2022 mystery kit from Sadie Stickers, which, oh my gosh. And again, going back to what I was literally just saying, because this is like tea party and cafe, and it feels, again, I'm seriously going through some sort of like whimsical fairy tale mood, because it's like tea party, which makes me think, sort of like Alice in Wonderland, but this can go in a really elegant direction because of the chandeliers on here. And I feel like the opportunity to do something really sort of ornate and garlandy, just lovely. And then this feels very, very spring with these colors, so beautiful. And I love having, with her mystery kits, I love the fact that I have the journaling page that matches it. I love those torn sheets, and using these in the sidebar have become just like one of my favorite things to do. And then the florals, so beautiful. So I'm super excited to use this kit. I'm feeling like my spring kits are going in a very whimsical direction, and I'm kind of very happy about that. So hopefully I'm going to come up with a month of spreads that I really enjoy. Thank you all so much for watching. I would love to know what kits you're planning to use for the month of April, so you can go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Or if you like sharing that on Instagram, please feel free to tag me so that I can check it out, like, and comment. I hope you're all having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.